If you're trying to decide between Namecheap and Squarespace, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down the difference between the two in the simplest way possible. So by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your goals. Whether you want a domain, hosting, email, WordPress control, or a fast and easy way to build a polished website, the choice becomes much easier once you understand what each platform is really made for. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more clear software tutorials like this. Alright, let's dive in. First, let's clear up the biggest misconception. Namecheap and Squarespace are not really the same type of product. Namecheap is primarily a domain registrar and hosting provider. That means it's built for people who want to buy domains, manage DNS, use traditional hosting, set up WordPress, and have more control over the technical side of their website. Squarespace, on the other hand, is primarily a website builder. It gives you hosting, templates, drag and drop design tools, and built-in business features all in one place. So before you compare pricing or features, the real question is, do you want more control or do you want more simplicity? Let's start with Namecheap. Choose Namecheap if your main goal is to get an affordable domain, manage DNS settings, use cPanel, run WordPress, or handle custom email. This is a strong option if you're comfortable making a few technical decisions and you don't mind a setup process that gives you more flexibility. Namecheap is especially useful if you already know how domain management works, or if you want a traditional hosting setup where you can choose how things are configured. It's also a better fit if you want to manage multiple websites under one hosting account, or if keeping costs lower is one of your top priorities. Another reason people choose Namecheap is control. If you want to point a domain to another service, customize DNS records, or manage hosting settings in a more hands-on way, Namecheap gives you that freedom. It's a great fit for users who are comfortable with the back-end side of websites, or for people who plan to use WordPress and want a more classic hosting environment. In short, if you want domain plus hosting plus flexibility, Namecheap is usually the better choice. Now let's talk about Squarespace. Choose Squarespace if your priority is building a beautiful website quickly without dealing with server settings, cPanel, or technical hosting setup. Squarespace is designed to be simple and polished. Its templates look professional right out of the box, and its drag and drop style editor makes it much easier for beginners to build a site that looks clean and modern. If you're creating a portfolio, a small business site, a service-based website, or even a small online store, Squarespace can save you a lot of time. Squarespace is ideal if you want an all-in-one solution. Hosting is included, the website builder is built in, and many of the features you need are already connected for you. That means less time worrying about plugins, server settings, or technical maintenance, and more time focusing on your content, branding, and business. If you value ease of use, attractive templates, and simple website management, Squarespace is probably the better match. So how do you decide between them? Here's the easiest breakdown. Choose Namecheap when you already know how to manage domains and DNS, when you want WordPress or cPanel, when you need multiple websites on one hosting account, or when you want to keep hosting costs relatively low. Choose Squarespace when you want a fast setup, a beginner-friendly builder, attractive templates, and you don't want to manage technical hosting settings. Here's the simple rule to remember. If you need domain plus hosting plus flexibility, go with Namecheap. If you want an easy all-in-one website builder, go with Squarespace. That one line alone solves the decision for most people. If you're still unsure, ask yourself one final question. Do I want to build and manage a website the traditional way, or do I want the easiest path to a polished website with minimal technical work? If you want more control and lower cost flexibility, Namecheap is the move. If you want convenience and design simplicity, Squarespace is the move. I hope this comparison made your choice a lot easier. If it did, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly software guides, website tutorials, and simple comparisons that help you choose the right tool faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.